What's going on YouTube? This is TechRelic and I'm back with another tech segment. One of the first things that annoys me is whenever I get a fresh new copy of Windows or I just build a new PC or buy a new laptop and I need to download every single program over and over and over again, one by one. It is so exhausting. I normally forget all of them until weeks or even months later down the line when I actually need it and I find out that I need to reinstall it. So today I'm going to show you a quick trick that I think that everybody should do. It is going to take you maybe 3 clicks total, and you're going to install every single program that you need to get your PC ready to go in a matter of minutes. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to ninite.com. You spell that Ninite.com. And this is the website that you're going to get presented upon. What makes this thing crazy good, and the reason why I want you to do this before anything else, is because if you've ever had to download Steam, Discord, iTunes, anything that you've had to install separately, you can do all of this in one go. And I'll show you why it's so powerful here in just a second, how you can do this in just one step. So first, what you're going to want to do is come right down here and pick all of the apps that you want to choose from. They have Epic Games Launcher, Steam, Google Earth, Evernote. They have GIMP, Blender, Spotify, anything that you would typically download off of a clean install or with a new laptop or gaming PC or whatever. You're going to select all of these first, and then I'll show you where it gets better here in a second. Okay, now I've selected a couple of apps, and this is all you have to do. Scroll down, click Get Your Ninite. I'm going to save this to my desktop, save, and as soon as it's done, what I'm going to do is open this installer. As soon as you open the installer, you're going to be presented with, do you want this app to make changes to your device? Just say yes. It's going to take care of everything for you, I promise. Click yes, and it goes immediately through it, starts downloading every single one of those that you just check marked. So now that it's finished, all I have to do is click close, and that's it. I have all of those programs now. They're good to go. As you can see down here, I downloaded CC Cleaner, I have Audacity, and I have Revo Uninstaller. It's all done. There was no selecting multiple instances, going press next. Everything was taken care of for you. Such a powerful program. Now, that was the free version. They do have a pro version that you can choose to get as well, but the point of it was, this is something that you can do as soon as you have a fresh install of Windows, a clean PC, and you need to bulk install a bunch of applications. This is going to take care of everything for you. And it's 2, maybe 3 clicks of a button. There you have it. That's everything that I've got to share for today. If you like what you saw, please boost that algorithm for me. If there's anything that you'd like me to make a video on, please let me know in the comments or send me a message and we'll get it going for you. I'll see you next time. Peace.